Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The diagnostic trouble code, DTC B2375, indicates a malfunction in the rain sensing system of the Honda CRV models from 2017 to 2022. This system relies heavily on the automatic lighting rain sensor located on the windshield, which detects moisture and activates wipers accordingly. If this code appears, it suggests that the body control module, BCM, is not receiving accurate signals from the rain sensor. The BCM is crucial in controlling not just the rain sensing feature, but also various electrical systems within the vehicle. Proper diagnosis is critical, as it might impact the operation of wipers, headlights, and other related systems. Therefore, following a structured troubleshooting approach is essential to restore proper functionality. The rain sensing system, indicated by DTC B2375, primarily involves the automatic lighting rain sensor and the body control module, BCM. The rain sensor is typically located at the base of the windshield, often affixed to the interior surface, providing a clear view of precipitation on the glass. Its main role is to detect rain intensity, which automatically adjusts wiper speed for optimal visibility. The BCM, located within the vehicle's cabin, processes the signals received from the rain sensor to control related systems. This seamless interaction ensures that the car's wipers operate effectively, enabling safe driving in wet conditions. A malfunction not only affects visibility, but can compromise safety if wipers do not respond correctly to environmental conditions. Several possible causes can lead to the DTC B2375. First, loose or poor connections at the automatic lighting/rain sensor can interrupt the communication between the rain sensor and the BCM, resulting in a malfunction. Secondly, dirt or debris on the rain sensor's surface can hinder its ability to accurately detect moisture, leading to erroneous signals or no signals at all. Additionally, damage to the windshield glass can also trigger this malfunction, either by obstructing the sensor or by affecting its mounting. Each of these components must be inspected thoroughly to determine the root cause of the error. Immediate attention is necessary to ensure that the rain sensing features work as intended to maintain driver visibility during adverse weather. Symptoms associated with DTC B2375 can significantly impact the driving experience. One common symptom is that the windshield wipers may become inoperative, failing to activate during rain, which poses a serious safety risk. Alternatively, if the wipers do operate, they may do so at an incorrect speed, not adapting to changing rain intensity as designed. Additionally, there may be a warning light illuminated on the dashboard, alerting the driver to a potential malfunction in the rain sensing system. Such symptoms require timely diagnosis and repair, as they can lead to further driving complications. Therefore, monitoring these signs is crucial for maintaining vehicle safety and performance. The first step in troubleshooting DTC B2375 involves using the HDS, which stands for Honda Diagnostic System. The technician should begin by clearing any existing diagnostic trouble codes. This step resets the system and allows for fresh data to be collected. Once the codes are cleared, the vehicle should be turned to the off/lock mode and then switched back to the on mode. This action prompts the BCM to initialize and reevaluate the current status of all connected sensors. After this reset, it's essential to check for DTCs again using the HDS. If the error code B2375 reappears, it indicates that the issue persists. If it's absent, the system may currently be functioning correctly, though intermittent failure should not be ruled out. It's important to continue with detailed checks if the code is present. In the second troubleshooting step, the focus shifts to checking the connections at the automatic lighting rain sensor's 5P connector. An examination for loose or poor connections is crucial, as such faults can lead to disrupted communication between the rain sensor and the BCM. It is vital to ensure that all contacts within the connector are tightly seated and free from corrosion or damage. This step may involve visually inspecting the connector and even physically manipulating it to confirm fit and integrity. If the connection is found to be loose or faulty, it will need to be reconnected or repaired adequately to restore functionality. If the connection appears intact, it is necessary to move on to the next step in the troubleshooting process. The third step involves a visual inspection of the rain sensor itself. To begin, the technician must carefully remove the automatic lighting rain sensor from its mounted location on the windshield. Once removed, it's essential to check the surface of the sensor for any accumulation of dirt, dust, or other debris that may impair its function. Even a thin layer of contaminant can significantly affect the sensor's ability to detect moisture, leading to the DTC B2375 malfunction. If dirt or debris is found, the technician should clean the rain sensor thoroughly using appropriate materials to ensure it is clear of any obstructions. After cleaning, it is prudent to recheck the system before proceeding to further steps or replacements. If the sensor is clean and the error persists, additional investigation will be necessary. In the final troubleshooting step, the technician must visually inspect the windshield glass. The focus here is to determine if there is any dirt, dust, or damage that could affect the rain sensor's operation. A dirty windshield can obscure the sensor's view, leading to failures in its sensing capabilities. If any contaminants are present, cleaning the windshield should be the first step. However, if the glass is damaged, such as cracks or chips, it may require repair or replacement, as they could interfere with the sensor's functionality and positioning. If the windshield is found to be in good condition and clean, the logical next step is to replace the automatic lighting rain sensor itself, as it may be defective despite appearing functional. Conclusion of this step ensures that all potential problems within the system are systematically addressed. Final repair verification is a crucial step to confirm that all issues related to DTC B2375 have been adequately addressed. First, the technician should conduct a functional test of the rain sensing feature to ensure it activates the wipers appropriately in response to moisture on the windshield. Following this, it's necessary to check for DTCs once more using the HDS to verify that the previously logged B2375 code no longer appears. This step provides assurance that the underlying problem has been resolved. If the system operates correctly, it indicates that repairs were successful. However, if the code persists or new issues arise, further investigation will be required to identify any underlying problems not previously considered. Ultimately, this verification helps ensure vehicle safety and reliability. Preventive maintenance plays a vital role in avoiding DTC B2375 and similar issues in the future. A key measure is the regular cleaning of the rain sensor and its surrounding area. Accumulation of dirt and dust significantly impairs the functionality of the sensor, and addressing this through routine cleaning can prevent errors. Additionally, it's essential to inspect the windshield routinely for any damage or imperfections, as these can affect the sensor's performance. Checking electrical connections frequently ensures that the sensor stays connected properly, preventing issues stemming from poor connectivity. Combining these preventive measures will lead to improved sensor performance and prolong the lifespan of the rain sensing system, ensuring the vehicle operates safely in various weather conditions. In conclusion, Understanding DTC B2375 is crucial for effective troubleshooting of the rain sensing malfunction. Diagnosing this issue involves a systematic approach, starting from clearing DTCs to thoroughly checking connections, inspecting the rain sensor, and evaluating the windshield state. Each step allows for the identification of possible failures, ensuring that all components involved in the system are functioning correctly. Final verification of repairs confirms that the issue has been resolved, safeguarding the vehicle's functionality in adverse weather. Preventive maintenance practices can further mitigate the risk of encountering similar problems in the future. By adhering to this guide, technicians can effectively address DTC B2375 and ensure safe driving conditions. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.